Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to EVS class.
August, we celebrate our country's Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, India got freedom from 190 years long of British rule and became a free country. Independence Day is celebrated everywhere in India, like in schools, colleges, clubs, offices, etc. The national flag is hoisted and everyone sings the national anthem to show their patriotism. It is a holiday all over India. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag on the Red Fort in Delhi on the Independence Day. And after that, he gives a speech for all the Indians. Everyone remembers the brave freedom fighters who fought for freedom like Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Surya Sen, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose and many others on the Independence Day. On 26 January 1950, India became a republic country. So, this day is celebrated as the Republic Day of India. It is celebrated just like the Independence Day. People hoist the national flag and sing the national anthem. A grand parade is held in New Delhi. The event starts with the India's Prime Minister laying a wreath at the Amar Jawan Jyoti at the India Gate to remember the soldiers who sacrificed their life for the country. The President of India takes the military salute during the parade in New Delhi. On 2nd October, every Indian celebrates the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as the father of the nation because he played a very important role in freeing India. There are
Now remove page number 32 of your textbook Discovering Maths Practice Zone 2. Here two pictures are given to you. You have to find out the 5 difference between these two pictures and circle it. Okay? Now see on page number 33 do and documents. Take a cutout of the Indian flag, color it with the correct colors, hold your flag in your hands and take out a parade in the class. Choose a leader to lead the parade. Which colors did you fill in the flag? आपने फ्लैग में कौन कौन से कलर्स सैफरन वाइट ग्रीन blue for wheel in between, so you have to write these all colors. Who was the leader of your parade? So write any your friend's name. Color the national flag in the picture given below. So you have to color this flag. Now remove your observation book. Remove page number 22 of your observation book. Here application is there to identify different festival and the custom associated with them. Collect picture of one festival which is celebrated in your family. So you have to collect the pictures. आपके घर में कौन सा फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं एंड वन pictures of your friend which he or she celebrate. एक आपके घर में जो सेलिब्रेट करते हैं उसके फोटोज, नेक्स्ट फेस्टिवल 2 में आपके फ्रेंड के घर में जो फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं उसके फोटोज. देन नेम द फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटेड इन योर फैमिली. कौन सा फेस्टिवल आपके घर में सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. व्हाट डू यू डू ऑन दिस फेस्टिवल. आप ये फेस्टिवल में क्या करते हो. नेम द फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटेड बाय द फैमिली ऑफ योर फ्रेंड. आपके फैमिली, आपके फ्रेंड की फैमिली कौन सा फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करती है. यू हैव टू राइट हियर. देन व्हाट डज हीज हर फैमिली डू ऑन दिस फेस्टिवल। अब जो आपका फ्रेंड फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं वो क्या करते हैं ऑन दैट डे। ओके, डू यू लाइक द फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट बाय योर फैमिली। आपको पसंद है आपकी फैमिली जो फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करती है, येस और नो, यू हैव टू टिक दैट। इफ येस, व्हाट डू यू लाइक द मोस्ट अबाउट देम। अगर आपको पसंद है तो उसमें से आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है, यू हैव टू टेक इट। ईटिंग गुड फूड, हैविंग फन, मीटिंग फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स, बाइंग न्यू क्लोथ्स। देन हाउ डिड यू फील। I had fun. Tick. I learned more about new festivals. Tick. I would love to do more of these application. Tick. I completed the application in dash days. ये एप्लीकेशन करने में आपको जितने दिन लगे हैं यू हैव टू राइट दैट। ओके, नाउ टर्न द पेज, पेज नंबर 24। To develop the feeling of harmony, make a greeting card on your favorite festival and write a message for your parents on it. So here you have to make a greeting card and write a one message for your parent on it. Or draw a kite to celebrate Independence Day. You can use colored paper, cloth, rag, mastic, ribbon, etc. to decorate your kite. आप यहाँ पर ग्रीटिंग कार्ड बना के एक मैसेज लिख सकते हो, और यू कैन मेक अ काइट फॉर टू सेलिब्रेट इंडिपेंडेंस डे। ओके, you can use colored papers, cloths, matchstick, ribbons to decorate this kite. So like this we have done with our chapter number 2. So complete the chapter in a neat and clean handwriting without any spelling mistake. Thank you.